Alright guys, in this video we'll learn about HTML5, and the first line shows that this is a doc type HTML. Okay, now HTML uses tags. First of all, this is your opening tab and this is your closing tab. Okay, tag, tag. Your opening tag has, you know, the sort of HTML with an angle brackets, and the closing tag always have this forward slash as well. Okay, then what you have is your head, and inside your head is your title of the page. Now I'll get to this in a minute when I'll run this. Okay, then you have the body, and in the body you have your header. This is a heading. Now this h1 is just the size. H1, H2, H3 is just the size of the headings. H1 is, I guess, the largest size available, or the smallest. I'm just gonna check this in a while. Okay, so this is a paragraph, and it's gonna as soon as the screen ends is, and if your line runs out, it's gonna automatically change the line. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this thing. Okay, now when I come here at the run, it shows launch in Firefox, launch in Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari, whatever. So I'm gonna launch this in Internet Explorer. Okay, this is a heading, this is a paragraph. Now let us just play with this thing. Let me change this to h2 and change this to h2, and now let's just run it with Internet Explorer. So you can see now I've changed this to h4, and this is your, so as h1 is the largest, and h4 and h5 are the higher numbers being the smallest. Okay, now your page title, the title of your page was this thing. So yeah, now what you're gonna do is, if I want to change this thing to, let's say, Talha Studios, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to first save this thing, run, launch in Explorer. See, my title just changed. So you can consider this as a little hello world program of your HTML. And that's it guys. In the next tutorial we're gonna discover this thing a bit more.